Mini Pistachio Cheesecake with melted chocolate on top. So easy and delicious. Let me show you how to make this no-bake dessert. Blend cream cheese, Greek yogurt, pistachio cream and honey. Add some chopped pistachios. Add some crushed biscuits with melted butter. Press the mixture to form a crust. Smooth it out and chill for at least 3 hours. Melt your dark chocolate gently. Once the cheesecakes are chilled, drizzle it over the top. Chill for 3 to 4 hours. Add some chopped pistachios on top. Look at that texture, so creamy and rich.